Definition of done. The definition of done is a shared understanding among the Scrum team members of what it means for a product backlog item to be considered done and ready to be released to the customer or end user. It is a quality standard that must be met for each item in the product backlog. The definition of done is typically created by the development team in collaboration with the product owner, and it should be agreed upon and understood by everyone involved in the project. It includes a list of criteria that must be met before a product backlog item is considered done. The criteria included in the definition of done may vary from project to project, but some common examples are: the code has been reviewed and approved by the development team. Automated tests have been written and passed successfully. The functionality has been integrated and tested. User documentation has been created or updated. The product backlog item has been accepted by the product owner. The definition of done is important because it ensures that the development team has a clear understanding of what is expected of them and what they need to do to deliver a high-quality product increment. It also helps to prevent misunderstandings and miscommunications between team members and stakeholders. By establishing a clear definition of done, the Scrum team can ensure that each product backlog item is thoroughly tested and meets the quality standards required for the product to be successful. This, in turn, increases customer satisfaction and enhances the team's reputation for delivering high-quality products. In summary, facilitating sprint events involves ensuring that the team is aligned, focused on the sprint goal, and collaborating effectively. The Scrum Master should enforce time boxes, encourage open communication and collaboration, remove obstacles, and ensure that feedback is incorporated into the product backlog. The Scrum Master plays a critical role in ensuring that the Scrum framework is implemented effectively and that the team can deliver high-quality products incrementally.